Okay guys, this is the area of my garden which has got loads of sting nettles growing. So all I'm going to do, I've got a little bucket, some gloves, which is a necessity when handling sting nettles, obviously. I'm just going to cut them up, chop them up with my secateurs. So I'll get cracking with that. Right, so all I'm doing now is chopping these up into a couple of inch pieces. You don't have to do this, it just allows you to fit more in and speeds the process up a little bit. So the majority of them are in here. So now what I'm going to do is smush them up a bit. So I've just got this stick, so I'm just going to give them a good old smush. Right, so they're running through the smushed up now. It just speeds up the process a little bit, you don't have to smash them up. Now all I'm going to do is fill this up with rainwater, so it just covers all the sting nettles. That should be enough. By the time they settle down a bit, that should be plenty. And then all I'm going to do is cover this up. Because you don't want it filling up with rainwater because it'll wash it all away. So I'm just going to use a couple of bits of slate because that's what I've got lying around. It will get quite stinky, so you want to keep it away from your house. So just stick it down the bottom of your garden somewhere or something. And then we'll come back to this in about a week or two. And we'll drain off all the bits of sting nettles leaves, and we'll just have the nice liquid left over. Alright guys, so it's about a week later since we started this Nettle Fertiliser. So we're going to check on it now. So it should be ready now. That's what we're left with. So now what we're going to do is smash it up a bit more, give it a good old mix, and then I'm going to use the sieve just to get the big lumps out. They'll go straight on the compost. It'll make a really good compost activator. So I will get started on that. I'll get back to you in a minute. And mashing it up a bit with a stick. And that should do it. And all I'm going to do is filter it through this sieve into here. So I'll get that done. And what's this? This is all we're left with now. And I'm just going to start straight on my compost. And then I'm going to put the fertiliser that we've made back into this tub. And then I'm going to try and put it into a milk bottle or something. Right, so there we go. I've got a little bit left there, so I'll use that straight away. Alright, so the ratio I'm using is about 10 to 1. It doesn't have to be exact, and I'm just putting it in a watering can and giving it a mix up, and then I'm going to use it to water my fruit and veg, and I'm hoping they will appreciate it. So now I'm just using my fertiliser to water my tomatoes and cucumbers. So that's all there is to making your own fertiliser from Nettles. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.